Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini hilong ki khubor bamda kasni. Umantri rangba ka jila Meghalaya u Conrad K.Sangma ula shimbanta ka Silver Jubilee celebration jang Indian Catholic Youth Movement Icym Kablalong ha Divine Retreat Center Kerela. Ya ka ka limpong ki samla jang kari India las dang da ka jing mani blay Balayalam da Cardinal Philip Neri Faro na Goa ubadeiru President jang ka Conference of Catholic Bishops of India CCBI. Ha ka jing kren jang umintri rangba ula ai khublai kerpang ya ka Icym halor ki arpsan Snem jang ka jing shakri bad ka jing yalam ka badan buram da ka ba open pawru ka jing kershan ya ka ni ka kenhun samla bala punroy ya kinong yalam ki badan ka jing sngolem bad ka mensim ai jing shakri. Usang ma ula kentui ki samla ba kinong ki kentai bat chinrang ki ba ai jing kermen ki bala ban yang scam hakmat ki jing bat ban pendon kam mi ki lat jongki ban penshai ya ki jing hikai ka hok bat ka jing sngolem. Today ka ne ka Jubilee ban pen kria ka mensim jongpi ban pen kre ka jing mut jongpi bat ban khot ya phi ba phi mi ban tre long kinong yalam ki ba shilur kinong shakri ki ba jamnut bat kinong lum ba pernai da ka jing shai jong ukris ong umintri rangba ula kenturu ya ki samla bakin pendon kami kaneka kainot digital bantai om ban penpra ban penya ki kam social entrepreneurship ban yarap ki badung bat bamman ula khotru iki samla bakin tei ki jingyai ne para briu kin trailang ha ka jing i bat kin pen i ke jing long hok ka jing shlur bat ka jing snolem ha ga bakut u sangma ula pen pau ka jing kmen ban ai khublai ya ka Icym alor ka jing sha kemen jongka hagane ka jing rakhi Silver Jubilee daga ba ukenturu ya ki samla ba kinong penkala haga balang haga ri bad haga perthai.
Friends, today we gather not merely to mark a milestone, but we gather to inspire a transformation. The Silver Jubilee of the Indian Catholic Youth Movement and the Jubilee year of hope for our Holy Catholic Church are not simply anniversaries. They are clarion calls to action, to transformation, and to courageous witness in our turbulent world. Look around you. More than 3,000 passionate youth, priests, religious, and animators from every corner of India. And this is a living tapestry of faith, service, and hope. This assembly is proof that the church's future is not just bright, it is ablaze with your energy, your dream, and your resolve. The theme, you are my witness because you have been with me, is not a gentle suggestion. Friends, to witness is to stand up. To witness is to speak out. To witness is to radiate Christ's love in every sphere: school, workplace, family, and society. Your faith is meant to be lived out loud, disrupting indifference and confronting injustice. You are called not to blend in, but to stand tall as beacons of hope in a world longing for light. To witness is not simply to speak, but to live in such a way that your life becomes a message. Guided by leaders like His Eminence Cardinal Philippe Neri and Most Reverend Ignatius de Souza, commit to blending spiritual depth with social impact. For 25 years, ICYM has not just survived, but it has led, served, and shown. You have forged leaders of integrity, built bridges of compassion, and inspired a culture of service. This Jubilee is not the end of a chapter, but it is a start of a revolution of hope. The world is watching. Let your deeds resound louder than words. A special greeting to the dynamic youth of Northeast India. At the 5th Northeast Regional Youth Convention in Kohima, you answered the call as pilgrims of hope. Your unity, creativity, and courage are living proof that faith is a journey and a force for transformation. You have shown the nation how to carry hope forward. United, undaunted, and unstoppable. Our youths across the world face immense challenges, such as mental health struggles, job uncertainty, climate crisis, digital dangers, ethical confusion, and the scourge of addiction and division. But you are not victim. Remember, you are not victims. You are warriors. Mental health is not a stigma, but a cause for solidarity. Employment challenges are opportunities for innovation. Environmental threats are calls to stewardship. Digital complexities demand discernment. Moral confusion is your moment to stand firm. Polarization is your chance to unite. But challenges are only half the story. The opportunities before you are limitless. Use the digital era to build, not break. Harness social entrepreneurship to uplift the marginalized. Lead the green revolution to heal the earth. Leverage your global connections to think big but act globally, locally. Use your platforms to amplify truth, justice, and compassion. The ICYM is your launch pad. And let your generation be remembered as the one that dared to change the world. Friends, hope is not passive. It's a choice we make daily. First, prioritize wellness. Mental health is a mission readiness. Support one another and find peace through prayer. And then act. Pursue practical skills and volunteerism. Dream boldly while starting small. Our witness must extend to the earth. Champion stewardship and let your example inspire change. Friends, in this digital age, use technology as an instrument of truth and kindness. Live your values by embodying integrity, courage, and compassion. Crucially, bridge the divides and serve inclusively. Friends, remember, we are here to unite and not to polarize. Friends, to witness is to live in a way that your life becomes a message. Let your actions make faith tangible. Let your actions make hope contagious. And let your actions make love appealing. Go forth and live your hope. Hope begins with you. Not tomorrow, not next year, but right now. Friends, let this Jubilee be the fire that reignites your spirit, the challenge that sharpens your purpose, the call that sets your feet in motion. Lead with boldness, serve with humility, and shine with the light of Christ. May this Jubilee of hope and the sacred words, "You also are my witness," ignite in you a faith that acts, a hope that endures, and a love that builds a new world. While congratulating the Indian Catholic Youth Movement, I appeal to you to go forth and be the change maker our church, our country, and our world so urgently need. I once again would like to thank the ICYM for having invited me here for this program.
We all need somebody to lean on.
I just might have a problem that you understand.
We all need somebody to lean on. Please swallow your pride. If I have things you need to borrow, for no one can fill those of your needs that you won't let show.
Lean on me when you're not strong.
1 year ago, a small idea sparked a dream which materialized in the form of a screen, an OTT platform to tell stories from the heart of Meghalaya to the world. With over 3.8 lakh downloads and over 1.1 crore views. From indie creators to first-time filmmakers, Hello Meghalaya gave voices a home, a stage and a spotlight. And you, the viewers, made it all possible. 1 year down, 1,000 stories to go. Here's to more laughter, more culture, more Meghalaya.
We love Hello Meghalaya!